Penny? 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 How you doing? You having a good morning? Awesome. Morning, Holly.
Good morning. No, please. I don't really want to be on camera.
Today.
I don't want to be on camera, thank you.
Anyways, just show you some of the stuff we've been doing. So we got this shelf here for our cooler, freezer, I guess. It only came out halfway. So, anyways, I had to just rejig some things here and put in new rails, put longer ones in. That's what the new wood there is. It's not painted, but it's good enough. So I put longer rails, so it actually came out. The shelf actually came out farther, and now it comes out all the way. I haven't got it all the way right now, but it do come out all the way, so you can open the lid. And I noticed, Holly, that I got to and it's beefed up, and we actually got a latch here to hold it in. Actually I see it's come loose a little bit, Holly, and they put some more screws in it because of the weight of it, I guess. Anyhow, so did that. That was a big job. Bit of a big job, I guess. And I had to separate the nav lights and the anchor lights and stuff up at the mast. So I did that yesterday. Did some rewiring that. And the what?
Saltwater tap.
Oh yes, the saltwater tap was a big thing. And got that going. So it's salt water for doing all kinds of rinsing and stuff. And save our fresh water. And just installed this little inverter that was here on the boat when we got it, a little 450. Yeah, I had already the wires ran for another device that I don't use, and so I got that going. And then we got power out here for the USB power at the helm here that we didn't have last year. We needed. Here we have it here. USB, and actually I don't even know what that is there. Oh yeah, that must be a USB A and C, I guess. Anyhow, yeah, because we have the iPad here as a second set of charts over here, and last year we had the cable running down and running in through, and it was kind of cumbersome and then in the way. So now I'm looking at next big project. Here is just get this out of the way here. So the deck here is soft right here. And I don't like that. It's the only place on the whole boat that the deck is soft. So I suspect there's wood in there that's sogged. So I'm gonna cut this open and replace it. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna cut this open and replace it. And then see how that turns out. I got the same thing going on over here. And it's something that I missed or didn't really pay much attention to when I did the boat in the yard. So I'm gonna cut out, keep it from the edge of course, cut it out, and then hopefully I can dig out all the wet wood and whatever's there. And then I'll clean it up, fiberglass, and then I'll put in some new wood, fiberglass over, and put the section I cut out, put it back in. There'll be a seam, but that's the best I can do. And at least then the deck will be solid in this one spot. Like I said, the whole rest of the deck is fine. There's no soft spots anywhere. So, and the same thing that I did with the chain locker covers, they were soft as well, and I stiffened them up. So you can go back and watch that video where I showed that. And I also stiffened up the this cover back here. So just got rid of the soggy wood. That's what happened. So, and I'll take you through the process of getting this done. So let's get at it. Okay, so I just took a grinder and went along there, took a section of soft, and just took a regular zip cut and just went along there and cut it. So now I suspect that it's stuck on here or something. I'm gonna probably wreck the edges of this a bit. Well, I'm gonna have to go a little deeper. I feel course, I got my safety equipment on here. I might have too big of a piece. I don't know. I might have to make this a little wider so I can get my screwdriver down there. Okay, I'm expecting it's a really good bond. There's not much wrong there, I don't think. So I'm expecting something worse, I think, than what it actually is. Huh, nothing. Wow. There we go. Just airspace. Huh, unreal. Wow. Well,
Question, right?
yeah.
Question is, do you check the other side?
No. See?
I think, Brian,
So this,
you know what I think? I think
Just-
because there's no supporting structure underneath on this side.
yeah, it's
Right?
awful.
Like, it's all supported here with shelving, etc.
Yeah. No,
under
this is just the way they
this-
built it. There's no, I thought it was board in between, but it's not. So I actually went through there, which is out and you can't see it. So then there was some holes drilled here, I don't know why, but probably from inside just to check it out.
Oh my god.
So this is what was, right?
That was
So this is where the wood starts, and the wood is dry as a bone, look at that. The wood starts right here. And they didn't put any wood in it here, and that's why it's flimsy. So I am going to put some in it. Not wood, no, I'm gonna put some filler in there, and
Some
that'll take up,
support.
yeah. But I'm not gonna cut the other side, obviously, because I
the more
cut
holes
open a
you
perfectly
have,
good, yeah, that's right.
The more holes you have, the more risk you have of.
Yeah, I'm gonna build this up here on the seam. So I got a little bit of work there to do.
Well.
Up, and then I'm gonna fill it in with some glass here to build this up, and then I'm gonna put this piece back in, of course.
Well, you see how to check.
Well, I had to, well, yeah, and you know, drilling a hole down is one thing, but I guess I could have done that, but I would have got, I still wouldn't have known, because I was pretty confident that it was soft deck, but it's not. It's none to like, and the wood is just like new there, that dry as a bone. No, just fiberglass. I'm gonna fiberglass build this up here because I need a ledge now for this to sit on. And I'm gonna put mounds of fiberglass there so it fits nice. And then I'll
And
just,
then this goes right over.
yeah, and I'll stick that back down.
Fix it.
Yeah, because that's what they did here, right? They just put blobs of fiberglass there, and yeah, but it wasn't enough. They should have filled the space with something. Because it
But they did that on the
spongy.
other side too.
Yeah, the other side, but I'm not going to touch the other side, obviously. Yeah. All right, so I got a little bit of prep work done, and of course beveled edges here, and that's good solid glass there, and yeah. So I'm going to put this piece of plywood here because there's nothing. That's the biggest gap right there. I might have to saw some off of that. That might be a little bit too much. This here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna just coat that with something. That's still good. I might just, and then fill that. Once I get it stuck down, then I will pour glass in all these, in this, right? And then hopefully, or maybe I'll stuff it with mesh. With short strand, long strand. I'll stuff it with that. I'll take my time. It's too high there. Yeah, definitely too high. Oh yeah. 90% of this job is prep work. Get it right. 'Cause you only got one shot of doing it right. So, anyways. Okay, so I got everything prepped, I think. It's just sitting there. It's not really doing anything. So I have this piece of plywood that's gonna serve as joining the seam there, support. So I got that glass down. I got that. I just put some resin on that, as you can see. So I just got a little bit there underneath, and all the rest of this is going to sit down. I'm going to put a little bit of glass all along there. I'm going to press it down into it. Over here now, I gotta build some up here because I got nothing to go in behind. So I gotta build some up there. Okay, some time has passed, and so I cleaned up the hole best I could, and then I put the piece back in there. I built up like I needed to underneath here, so there was something to attach to, and I had it all. I put a bunch of fiberglass in there, and then I stuck it down. So, but I don't know if I'm totally happy with it. I don't think it was the best way to do it. I know that. But under the circumstances and where I'm at and what I'm doing, this was the best thing. So anyways, I got some stuff put in here so don't flex. If this don't flex, it'll be fine, but if it flex, it'll crack and then water will seep in there. So that's what I got to be careful of. So I got to see what I'm going to do here. So I get the holes all, I get the seam all plugged up pretty much. It's a little high in some places. I'll have to even it out and whatever, but hey, it's never going to be like new because I cut it open, right? So anyway, really windy here now today again. So we're going to shut this down and let that harden up nice. Oh, one other thing I was going to do. Inside I drilled some holes underneath. So I was thinking once this goes, I'm going to fill it up with foam, and then it'll take some weight, that'll even out some weight, and that'll keep it from flexing. So I might try that too. I got the foam there actually. So we'll see what happens. Well, we got some mail. We were sent some mail from another YouTuber, I do believe. So let's open it up. Yeah, I just got it here, so let's see what we got. I think I know who this is from. Which one? And it is, oh, here we go. Yep. It is the wooden iron cookie, Joe. Awesome. Thanks, Joe. And yeah, 2 stickers here. Just a little different one. Wooden iron cookie and a wooden iron cookie, yeah. A good little YouTube channel, doing lots of cooking and country style. Hey Brian Holly, thank you for doing a sticker swap. Hope everything is going well with your move, and I love the spot of your homestead. Thanks, Joe. Awesome, Joe. I'll put up a shot of his YouTube channel here, and if you're not subscribed, go over and check him out. He's got a good little channel there, and give him some support. Thank you, Joe. Take care.
Okay, who do we got here? Coming in hot. Hey, who is that? Well, it's a red and white dinghy. It appears to be a man. Oh. Oh. What is it? It's a man and... I think it's a man and his dog. I really think it's a man and his dog coming in. What do I see? It looks like a Brian and a Benny. And they're both wearing their life jackets. I don't think Penny's worried at all. I think it's just because she's wearing her life jacket. Let's see how she disembarks. Let's see how well she does with this. Well, hello! Boy, aren't you a good girl? Hey? Hi, Dad! Hi, Brian! So smart. You're a good girl. Okay, gonna try to go to the back of the boat here.